Madhav was a lonely washerman. He had only one friend, and that was his donkey. They worked together the whole day, and Madhav would always talk to the donkey to pour out his heart to it. One day, Madhav had many clothes to wash. He was walking home with the donkey when suddenly he felt very tired. He tied the donkey to a tree and sat down to rest for some time. And then he saw a school nearby. He could hear the noise of the children inside the classroom through the open window. Then he heard the voice of the teacher. The teacher was scolding the students. Here I am, trying to turn you donkeys into humans, but you just don't study. As soon as Madhav heard these words, his ears pricked up. What? Here is a man who could actually turn donkeys into humans? This is the answer to my prayers. Impatiently, he waited for school to be over for the day. Then, when all the children had gone to their homes and only the teacher was left in the classrooms to check some papers, Madhav entered the classroom. What do you want, Madhav? Asked the teacher, who knew him well. Madhav scratched his head and said, I heard what you said to the children, sir. Please take my donkey and turn him into a human. I am very lonely, sir. I have no friends, and this donkey is only my friend. If this donkey becomes a human, we will have very good time together, sir. The teacher realized that Madhav was a needy and decided to fool him. He pretended to think for a while and then he said, I need some time. Give me 6 months. Oh, yes, and it is an expensive request. It will cost you 2,000 rupees. The foolish Madhav agreed and rushed his home to get money. He left the donkey with the teacher and waited for him to turn into a human. Exactly 6 months later, Madhav appeared at the teacher's door. Now, the teacher had been using his donkey for his own work, and the teacher found it very useful. Not wanting to give it away, he said, Oh, your donkey became so clever that it ran away. Where is he now, sir? Asked surprised Madhav. He is the headman of the next village, said the cunning teacher and slammed his door shut. Madhav trotted off to the next village. There, the village elders were sitting under a tree discussing some serious problems. How surprised they were when Madhav marched up to the headman, huffing and puffing, grabbed his hand and said, How dare you? You think you are so clever that you can run away like this? I spent 2,000 rupees to make you a human from a donkey. Let's go home now. The headman understood someone had played a trick on Madhav. I am not your donkey, he said. Go to the sage sitting in the forest. He will explain everything to you. Sadly, Madhav went to the sage in the forest. He found him sitting under a tree, deep in meditation. He crept up and quickly grabbed the sage's beard. Come back now, he shouted. Enough of this meditation. The startled sage stood up and somehow calmed Madhav. When he finally heard what had happened, the sage had a good laugh. Then he told Madhav, "The teacher made a fool of you. Your donkey must be still with the teacher. Go and look for him, and then try to make some real friends who will talk with you, who will play with you, and share your problems and worries. A donkey will never be able to do that." So, friends, this was the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it. Discuss the story with your family and friends and find out what did you actually learn from this. Okay? So, take care and bye.